I've been pushing myself in the gym, but I always felt like I could do more. That's when I discovered Nutrigo Lab Strength. This pre-workout supplement is a game changer. It's scientifically formulated to give my body and mind the support they need before I hit the weights. What I love is that it doesn't give me those annoying jitters like other pre-workouts. Instead, I get smooth, sustained energy that keeps me focused and driven throughout my workout. With 18 powerful ingredients, including creatine and citrulline malate, I feel my strength and stamina skyrocket. Mixing it is super easy, just 2 scoops with water about 15 minutes before I train. And the best part? I've noticed faster recovery and less fatigue, which means I can push harder and hit my goals faster. If you're ready to break through your limits and redefine your fitness journey, Nutrigo Lab Strength is the partner you need. Why wait? Power up your training and unlock your potential today.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.